Mail newsletter on MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up or start your very own newsletter on MailChimp. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm on MailChimp.com, and what we're going to do over here, it was just simply going to quickly sign up. Now the sign up process is free. There are some plans available which I will get to in a minute, but you can easily sign up for free. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to click on the sign up button over here. It's going to take us over here onto the sign up page. Now over here, we're just simply going to sign up by entering in our email address, username, password, and then just simply click on sign up. Then we just simply click on I'm not a robot after we've verified our email address, and then we are good to go. Then it's going to show us the plans. Then we're going to go into the profile, address, contacts, and forms, and all of that. So as you can see over here, we have four plans available to us. We have the current plan, which is the free plan. Then we have the essentials, then the standards, and then the premium. Now the essential will be available to us for $11 a month with 500 contacts available, and the standard one will also be available to us with also 500 contacts. And then the premium one, which will be the advanced features over here, it will be available to us for $300, and over here, and with it we will have 10,000 contacts. So we can compare the email address over here, as you can see, with all their plans. So free plan, we will have 7 marketing channels, we will have single email automation, 5 email templates, and marketing CRMs. Whereas over here, we will have all email templates, A/B testing, custom branding, 24/7 award-winning support. And then for standard, we will have everything in the essentials and plus, and we will get journey automations, retargeting ads, custom coded email templates, and advanced audience. And in premium, we will have everything in the previous plan, and we will have advanced segmentation, multivariate testing, unlimited seat and role based access, and phone support. So that's all the things that you can see over here. So over here, let's go ahead and continue with the free plan right here. And we'll just simply click on next. You can choose whichever plan you want, but they offer. So we're going to continue with the free plan, and we'll just simply click on next. Then over here, we'll enter in our first name, last name, business email. You can enter in your website URL and a phone number, which is optional. Then we'll just simply click on continue. And after that, we'll just enter in our address. And then they will ask us, do we have any contacts? We'll just say yes or no, depending upon your answer. Right now, I don't have any contacts, so I'm just simply going to click on no, and I'll click on yes. And then, do you sell any service or products? We'll just say, yeah, we sell products. And then, how do you currently sell? Your own website or e-commerce store, or another business sites or e-commerce store? Our own, or we'll just say another business's website or e-commerce store. Yeah, we'll just simply click on continue, and then you can select the additional email newsletters if you want to sign up. Though I don't want any of these emails, so I'm just simply going to click on continue. And then over here, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, this is your dashboard. Over here, you can go ahead and connect with all these different services such as QuickBooks, Shopify, Square, Google, WooCommerce to get started. Then you can create your first campaign, add your contacts, and launch. So actually, let's go ahead and add a contact over here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Let's see if we can import some contacts. I don't have a CVS file, but still, I'll just simply directly paste them in. So over here, I have some of my early emails. I'm just simply going to paste them over here. Click on continue to organize. And there we go. Click on finalize contacts. Click on complete import. There we go. View imported contacts. Let's go ahead and view them. All right, so here we go. We have these emails. Now we are good to go. So now what we're going to do is now we're going to set up our email newsletter. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on audience over here, and over here what we're going to do is we're going to click on sign up forms. And over here we're going to create ourselves a sign up form. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. We have form builder, we have embedded forms, we have subscriber pop-ups, we have contact form, and we have form integrations. What we're going to do is we're going to simply select form builder, and we're going to build ourselves a form. What we're going to do over here is we're just simply going to design and build our form. So over here, as you can see, we have some fields. We can select to add a message. We can add in this field over here, first name, last name. We have our address over here. We have the phone number and birthday and subscribe, right? So over here, This is the sign up form. As you can see, we have the subscribe form. We can add in sign up from with alerts. We can add a reCAPTCHA configuration, confirmation thank you page, final welcome email. We can edit all of this. We have the unsubscribe section where we have unsubscribe form, unsubscribe success form, goodbye email. We have updated profile update emails. We have all these from bits as well. We can add it and design and build all of these forms, right? And then we can also have the option to let subscriber pick email format, plain text or HTML. Or we can just simply sign up from the URL. We can directly share this URL so that people can sign up, right? So this is the build it section. Then we have the design it section, and then we have the translate it section. So first we're going to build this. All right. And these are the fields that we can add. So as you can see, we can add text field, number field, radio button, check boxes, drop down date, birthday, address, zip code only. This is for the US only. So then we have phone, website, and image. All right. We can add all of this. So we have the email, first name, last name. And then I do want to add in the phone number. There we go. We have the phone number. This is going to be hidden because when they enter in these things, then this is going to be popped up. So I don't actually want the birthday. So I'll remove that. We have to type delete to delete that. Oh, actually they have the phone number. So of course we don't need that. So we'll just remove that. Yeah, I didn't see it. Then yeah, I think this looks good. And then we can design it. Over here, we can add the background, the header, the outer warp. We have the body, form, and referral badge as well. So we have the background. This is how it's going to look like, right? We have the background. We can even remove or edit the, name over here. We'll remove the name. Yeah, there we go. We have the header. Now we can go ahead and add a change button over here, and we'll add like an image. I don't know. Here we will have logo, product, or files. Let me just simply upload an image over here. This is just a demo image that I had previously used. So I'm just gonna keep this one here. This is like a demo image, right? It can be anything. As I said before, you will have your logo, company name and slogan. Yeah, any width, any height. Yeah, I think that looks good. And then we will have our email, and yeah. So let's go ahead and change the background color. If you want to, you could just simply go with a darker color over here. There you go. As you can see, that's how it's gonna look like. It all depends on you, right? So I think the gray color looked good. So we're gonna click on that. Yeah, I think the gray will look good. Then we're gonna click on the body, and this is the body color, right? We can choose to go with a different color, maybe like a black color, dark gray. Here we go. So as you can see, that's how it looks like. Maybe like even some maroonish color, but then the text won't be appeared. What about something red? You can go with something like that so that it matches the color of your form. But I think that a white color will look much better. Yeah, white looks much better. Then we have the form option over here. Oh, this is going to look like we have the buttons, button hovered, field labels, field text required, require legend, all of that. So as you can see, we can create a form with a very detailed amount of options, so you don't have to worry about that. This is going to be the background. This is going to be the text color. Then we have the translated option over here. We can translate it to different countries, different English over here. We can set the default language to anything we want. We can text direct over here from left to right or right to left. It all depends on you. And once you have done this, all you just got to do is save the translation settings over here. I'm just simply going to do that. And then we'll just simply click on completely customized formats. And then we are good to go. Then we don't have to do anything else. Then we have the contacts over here. We can import, as I said before, we have add subscribers, we have manage contacts, then we have overview and all of that, right? Then, as I said before, you can go ahead and copy the link of the form and embed it into your profile or embed it into your website so that people, when click on that button, like a sign up button or anything else, this form will pop up and you are good to go. So if I just simply copy the link, right? Maybe if I paste it over here. So as you can see, we have the newsletter over here. Then we can just simply copy the link they gave us and we can import it into our website and we are good to go. So that is it. That's how you do it. That's how you create an email newsletter and a sign up page and how you add audience. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.